Hello, and welcome to the University of Maine library tutorial about how to search using the LibrarySearch catalog. The LibrarySearch catalog is an online library catalog you can use to search for books, journal articles, and other materials held by libraries in the University of Maine system. The catalog search interface will be embedded or linked on your library homepage, but if you conduct an initial search, click on the magnifying glass icon to the right of the search bar, or click on the link, you'll go to the catalog homepage where there are many more search options. The search interface on the catalog homepage is a simple search. The drop-down list to the right of the search bar allows you to limit what you're looking for. Almost everything searches most of the collection, including articles. Library Catalog will show you books, ebooks, and journals, but not articles. Electronic Resources will show you materials you can access online. And Course Reserves will let you find materials your professor has placed on hold for your class. Beneath the search bar, you can select a certain type of material you want to find, either books, articles, video, or audio content. At the top center of the page, there's another set of links. New Search will clear your current search and let you start over. The databases A through Z list will take you to a list of the databases your campus library subscribes to. Course Reserves will open a new window and set the drop-down list filter to Course Reserves automatically. Journal Search will let you search for the title of a journal or periodical you're interested in, like Reading Research Quarterly or the Bangor Daily News. Iliad is the name of the interlibrary loan system, and will take you to the Interlibrary Loan Guide, where you can request materials that aren't available through the LibrarySearch catalog. Research Guides will take you to a list of guides that have been created by your campus librarians to help you with your research. Below the search bar, there are brief descriptions of the drop-down list filters, links to ways to get in touch with librarians if you need help, and a brief description of what signing into your account will let you do. If the simple search options aren't specific enough, you can click on the link to the right of the search box labeled Advanced Search. This shows you the filters from the simple search as well as additional filters like language and date range for the materials. It also shows you a drop-down list to the left of the search box that lets you search for aspects of a book or article like title, author, ISBN or ISSN, which are numbers that identify a certain book or journal, or subject. Next, I'm going to do an example search for the book Phoebe and Her Unicorn by Dana Simpson. I'm going to start by selecting the Books filter. The search lists the book I was looking for first. It also shows that there are other Phoebe and Her Unicorn books held by the library. There are filter options on the left side of the screen. You can choose whether you want to find materials that are available online, are held by a library, that is, physical items sitting on a shelf in one of the campus libraries, or are peer-reviewed or open access. You can also choose date ranges, subjects, or languages, or indicate that you want to find materials from a specific library or a specific library location. If you hover your mouse over a filter, you have three options. If you click on the filter, you'll find items of that type only. If you click on the red checkbox to the right, you'll be leaving all items of that type out of your search. If you click on the checkbox to the left, checkboxes will appear next to the other filters, and you'll be able to select multiple filters at once. If you select any of these filters and then decide you don't want them to apply, click the X next to it and the filter will be removed. There's a toggle switch at the top of the filter list that says Look Beyond Our Library. Toggling it on will show added books and materials that the University of Maine system libraries don't have. You can't borrow them from campus libraries, but you may be able to request them through interlibrary loan. For more information about a book, you can click on the title of the book to go to the book's catalog record. The catalog record lists information about the book, including which library it's located in and where it is within that library, and will allow you to request that the book be sent to your campus library if you're signed in. To sign in, click on the sign-in link and then select whether you're a University of Maine or community borrower. You may need to log in with your Main Street username and password. The book record will reload, you'll be signed in, and you'll see a link labeled Request under the heading Get It. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarians at your library using the contact information on your catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.